Hello there and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about drag and drop and how you can implement it in JustPy. So since version 009, there is an experimental drag and drop support in JustPy, and we are going to see how you can implement it. So let's import JustPy as JP, and we have a drag start with the self and message because it's going to be a handler, and the message that page that image that animation equals false and return true, and the drop function is also going to be a handler, and basically here we will say that the web page is equal to message.page, and the web page dot image dot animation equals zoom in. Then if self dot index is not equal to web page dot current index, then the web page dot div list self.index dot add webpage.image and the webpage.div list webpage current index dot components is equal to empty list, and the webpage.current index is equal to self.index. So basically what we say that if we drag an image and drop it to a different element, then the previous element is empty and the new element is populated. And we will have the drag test, and the web page is jp.webpage, and the web page current index is equal to 0, and the drag options is equal to a dictionary where we define drag classes, text white, background red 500, and we will have a web page image tag. So basically here what we say is that we take this image with the height 100, width 100, classes border, and we have the drag options, and we have the animation also defined. Then what we do is say that the webpage.image.on drag start, we call the drag start function, and we will create a div, and this div will have the classes flex wrap, and attach it to the web page, and the web page.div list is going to be populated with the following. We are going to have list comprehension, and we say that we want to add to the div list with 30 divs, and we will attach the handler for the drop, and we will also give them an index. And after that what we can do is to take a for loop and say that for div in webpage.div list div.events.append drag over, and the webpage.div list 0.add webpage.image return webpage. And now we can use the JP, the JustPy, drag test. So let's see how this works. Drag and drop. And if we open it, you will see that we have our web page. And if we want, we can drag and drop this to a different div. Let's see what is not working right. Here, I save it and refresh it. And there we go. So basically, this way you can drag and drop an image across different elements. And even create a small game if you want. So that was all I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.